No problem, we will do it. Sure, I'm there. My team will do it. The moment I hear these kind of responses, I check if the person making this statement is a new manager. Most of the time, it is. Software professionals have an innate tendency to say yes to everything. They have taken so much of burden and stretched themselves to the maximum that saying no is not even an option to them. They are so passionate about solving any problems that are brought to their attention. But the problem with this attitude is that the quality of the solution might not be as good as it should be. That's the engineering side of it. Coming to a leader, as I have seen in this industry, usually high-performing software engineers themselves would become managers. They bring with them what made them so successful: the attitude or the habit of saying yes. But this time, they are saying yes on behalf of their team. The leader then expects the whole team to put in enormous efforts to meet the commitments. One of the most common complaints I have heard about managers is about this trait. The managers commit without discussing the same with the team who is actually doing the job. When I talk to the managers about this, they have two things to say. One, if my team has to succeed, they have to show great results. Or two, if I don't commit, others will feel that I am incapable of making decisions. But the senior management would appreciate more if you can give a realistic estimate of the efforts and the dates. Now, how do you go about doing this? The easiest and the best way to do it is not to say yes to every task. If the task seems to involve your team members and if the task is significantly big, ask for some time. It's perfectly okay to say that you will get back to them with the dates. Discuss with your team members and ask them if they can commit. Your team members will love you for asking their opinion, and you will have a better bond with your team members. This also creates a sense of ownership in your team members, and you will see that you don't have to push them as hard to get things done. Did this information add some value to you today? Have you experienced this in your career? How did it feel? These are learnings that I had during my 22 years of software engineering experience as an engineer and as a leader. I'm now trying to share these tips to all of you, hoping it will help you grow better and faster. Now, in case you are serious about taking your career to the next level, connect with me. I offer customized programs that have helped leaders accelerate their career. Click on the Calendly link below to book a free introductory call with me. In the call, let's discuss your passions, your dreams, your goals, and the things that might be standing in the way. This call itself would help you get a lot of clarity on where you want to go. So book the call right away. Looking forward to speaking with you very soon.